Good morning, what's good? As you saw, I got the car put up on the jacks already, which means obviously we have another installation today. I finally got the special package I've been talking about. I finally got a front pipes and overpipe combo from JDL. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and check out what's inside, and then we're gonna install it. So I got the whole thing unboxed. Obviously we have the front pipe right here with the 2 resonators, and then the small little overpipe. First, start off by removing the old one, and then once we get that old one removed, we're gonna go ahead and try installing this one. It's gonna be some fun. Plate off. There were so many like little rocks and pebbles on the inside though, and then looking at it, this thing is a mess. Not super bad, but it's like scraped all over it. But that's what it's meant for, so it's doing its job. I think I'm gonna remove the front pipe first, just cause I think it'll be easier to do that first. Got the front pipe off of the car. It took me a while, but I did read off a forum to take off the heat shield. That way it's a little easier to unbolt it off of the overpipe. That way you can get to the bolts that are here. Otherwise this kind of gets in the way of it. I start removing the overpipe down right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm down under the car, obviously trying to take this overpipe out, and I didn't realize that like there's actually no way to take it out from this side, from the exhaust side. It doesn't like, it gets stuck over here in this area. So honestly, I think I have to take the headers off. That way I could pull it out. That way it's not in the way. Holy shit, this was a lot more work than I expected, but I finally got this freaking overpipe out. I'm trying to think, what's the best way to put all these back in. I think I'm gonna go ahead and fit the overpipe where it needs to go, put the headers back, bolt those 2 together, and then bolt the front pipe back. I think that's the best thing to do. Alright, so as you can see, I got the overpipe and headers back on. Nothing is like fully bolted down yet. I'm just test fitting everything, making sure it all fits. Now I just gotta get the front pipe in there, make sure it all fits together, and then line everything up and just bolt everything down. Alright, it's been an hour since my last clip, but I finally got everything bolted on. That shit is so, like, it's so much like, you do one thing, complete it, and then you realize, oh shit, I gotta do this. And I mean, that's kind of my fault, because I just kind of like wing it. I don't watch any like instructional videos or anything, but that's how I just do things. That's like, I like to learn that way. But Derek pulled up, finally. He was doing some stuff to his car. Go check out his channel to see what he did there. But yeah, while I was doing it, while I was tightening down some bolts, the wrench like slipped and slapped me in the face right here. So, but you know, it's not an installation if I don't get hurt. So, but finally got everything bolted up. So we're gonna do a quick, just kind of a cold start, and just to make sure there's no exhaust leaks or anything like that.
Actually, don't keep it in neutral and the car just
fucking flies. So there's the first startup with it. Honestly, it's not too much different. It's just louder. Obviously, it's not under load right now, but Derek's gonna rev it a little bit. Sounds deeper, I feel like, when you give it gas. That is like,
dude, that actually sounds deep as fuck.
That's so much deeper. Holy shit. Okay, on idle it doesn't sound very different. Or start up it doesn't sound very different, but when you actually give it gas, that sounds so good. Holy shit. Okay, it's worth it. The injury's worth it. And Derek and I are gonna go get some exhaust clips for you guys. Alright, so we made it to the spot where we're gonna film the exhaust clips. Nice little secluded area, no houses around here. Straight, very long road. So, let me get those clips for you guys. Alright, camera's about to die, but those are the exhaust clips. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna have Derek drive it real quick, that way I can hear it from the outside. Just real quick. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we got more parts coming in soon. But yeah, have a great day. Peace out.
Oh my god.